Pokemon Unite is a free-to-play multiplayer online battle which is known as MOBA video game developed by Teaming Studio Group and published by the Pokémon company for Android and iOS and also for Nintendo Switch. Hello guys, welcome to this video. And also you already know that Pokemon Unite has already been released by Nintendo Switch and is available for Switch players. And for them to actually start running the game, they have to go into their Switch console and go to Nintendo eShop and download it from there using the internet, and they can start playing. Okay, that's a good news for them. While for us, for Android and iOS users, we are still waiting for our own part. So in this video, I want to show you the actual date that Pokemon Unite will be released for Android and iOS. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, according to the research I actually made, I came to discover that on the Wikipedia it is said that for Pokemon Unite for Android and iOS we get to be released on September 21, 2021. That's 2 months after the release of the Switch version, which was 21st of July. So by September 21st, Android and iOS version of Pokemon Unite will get released. So that is when we go and download the Pokemon Unite application from Play Store and also for App Store. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video and make sure to click the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Thank you.